All right, let's get right into this. This video is going to be dedicated to Mr. Matias. He loves this particular flavor, but it's usually the sugar-free one. But I don't do sugar-free like that, baby. So right now we're going to be doing, and yes, I'm late to the party. And here's what I'm saying. I knew of this. I knew of this flavor when it first started. Where I knew it started from was Taco Bell, but I don't eat Taco Bell. So check this out. This will be the first time I've ever tried this particular flavor, and this is Mountain Dew's Baja Blast. Never done it, so I'm excited because Matthias loves it, and I wanna have that experience for him. So this one's for you, Matthias. So here we go. We're gonna take it. So let me make sure there ain't nothing else going on with this. Make sure I got the right one. Yep, Baja Blast. Okay, Taco Bell Original. It says it right there. Right there, Taco Bell Original. Okay, let's crack this open. We're good. We're good. Okay. What is that? That's lime. Something tropical. What is that? Is that raspberry? It smells like lime, like lemonade and blue raspberry. Okay, so the color is its color, not the packaging. Okay. Okay. I see you, Mountain Dew. All right. Now, for everyone knows me, I really don't drink soda like that. It's not something I prefer like sparkling waters because I like the carbonation and sugary drinks is like a treat for me when I go out places to eat. I'll grab a soda here and there. So just wanted to kind of give a little context where we're at with where we're going. So here we go. Yeah, it's like lemonade and blue raspberry, like a Jolly Rancher blue raspberry. All right, I like the fragrance. It's good. So here we go. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, that's dangerous. Yeah, lime. See, it's lime. There's lime. It's like a Mountain Dew with like I want to say it's gonna sound weird. It's like a combination of blue raspberry and cotton candy with lime on it. Ooh, that is good. I like it. Here's the cool part. It's not super sweet. It's not over the top sweet. It's like, hey, I'm Mountain Dew baby in a new dress. Look at me. And it's subtle. You know what I mean? But you like, ooh, I take notice. Ooh, girl. That is nice. I can see why everybody liked it. They liked it. Oh yeah, it's clean. What can I say about it? I am so late to the party. I'm also glad I never tried it because at this point in my life, I'm glad to have an experience. I could see myself drinking this all the time and it's pretty good. I definitely see the hype now. It's a very tasty soda. Couple things I would do really cool with it. I would definitely make a float out of it. That's one. Um, that's about it. Just make like a vanilla float with it. I think that would be a very tasty situation. Maybe one day I'll have to try it and we'll share that experience. But as a standalone soda, good flavor, not too sweet. So I am definitely, if this isn't as sweet as you think it should be, then I'm pretty sure the sugar-free one is just as pleasant. And it's not in your face. So, hey, hey, Matthias, now I see why you like it. And with that said, folks, thanks for hanging out with me. Cheers.